Hello there everyone and welcome back to another Reaper Airsoft video. Today you're joining me in a woodland gameplay, something that I haven't done in quite a few years. And now we are back in an undisclosed location because, well, the conditions are probably obvious. It's still 2020 and, well, that should say most of it. Although the conditions of the lockdown have been partially lifted, it's still unclear that it would be or would not be completely safe for us to be out and play Airsoft. So a few players, including me, decided to go out and have a very limited number of players and play as safe as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon so that you would be notified every time I upload a brand new video. Now, knowing these conditions, we won't probably be out playing another game for quite a while. Also, I'd like to mention that the game style we are playing in the woods is the one that we usually used to play a few years ago. One team goes out and hides, while the other team is going to search and hunt them down. It's sort of a team deathmatch with a hide-and-seek twist on it. So, enough of me blabbing around. Enjoy the video. Also, there's only one more thing I'd like to mention, which is you're probably seeing that selfie cam on my sniper right there, but unfortunately it decided to glitch out and not record and not respond no matter what button I push. It was on but not recording, and it was heating up very much, and I decided to just let it die out, run out of battery, and see if it'll work after that. And surprise, surprise, when I got home, it was out of juice. I plugged it in, it charged a little bit, and then it was working just fine. So hopefully I can get to use my selfie cam on the next gameplay video, whenever that may be. Also, I was using my leaf suit, and it was working extraordinarily well in this woodland game.
Mort!
Unfortunately, for some whatever reason, I had a little bit of trouble with the hop up of my Silverback SRS. I had a lot of inconsistencies this day. Maybe it was because of the rain or the continuously changing out the environment, so temperature, because once it was raining, then it was really sunny, and once it was cold, then it was really warm, and, well, I don't know, but for whatever reason, it was really hard to dial in that perfect hop up. Right here, my team was on the hunting side, and I encountered an enemy and almost got shot, and I barely got away. Decided to go a little bit of a different route to try to go around them, but I see someone move in the bushes right in front of me, so I decide to just duck, lay down, and basically turn invisible. After that, it was time to hunt down the next player. Okay, that reaction was weird, so I point at him as in, don't you dare. Next up, it was our turn to go hide, and I decided to hide close by from where the enemy players started to hunt us down in between a very thick bush and a big tree very close to the trail which we usually follow, so we don't get lost through the forest. And here is going to be one of those truly epic moments when you are really well hidden in the forest and almost invisible in your leaf suit, and you get the drop on the entire enemy team. Well, one survived and takes me out later, but as you can see, I can already follow at least 2 enemy players through these bushes here, and they don't suspect a thing. I let them go by slowly, and then a third appears. There are only 5 players in the enemy team, so there's already more than half. And then I hear the other 2 players to my right, very close. This is becoming quite a dangerous mission.
Mort! Mort, 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 mort!
And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thanks for sticking around and watching, and don't forget to leave it a like, share it to your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click on that bell notification icon so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video, although I don't know when that next occasion may be. Anyways, thank you so much, and see you on the next one.